Welcome back to my new video, guys. Here with me is Pop7. We are having issue with auto restarting, and most engineer normally says auto restarting is from the battery resistor. So I want you to drive with me to the end of this video so that we should take a look and see what is going on with this phone. So first of all, we are going to change that resistor, as everyone is saying, resistor. Okay, we are going to change the resistor now. Then, or if we don't even change the resistor, we're going to short bridge that place together. We're going to remove the old one, the normal resistor that came with it. We'll remove it, then we'll bridge that resistor pin together. So let's check the phone. Your first time to my channel, please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you are highly welcome. If it is your first time and you have been subscribed for so long, thank you for the subscribing, and thank you for being continuously watching my video. Now, if you are ever experiencing this kind of issue, please say hi on the comment section, okay, and tell me how you fix yours. Either yours will be more different than mine, I don't know. So let's first of all bridge the resistor together, then try it. If it doesn't work, then we'll move to the next step. Okay, as you can see, I have bridged the resistor. Alright, let's connect our battery now and restart the phone again. Let's see. Oh guys, the issue is persist. So what do you think? Please, what you think, drop it in the comment section. Do you think we should flash the phone, or we should run a reboil on the motherboard, or what do you think that can solve this problem? Okay, drop it in the comment section. I'm waiting, guys. Don't forget, I'm waiting. Let's see an intelligent engineers. Okay, and for those of you that will be saying we should run a flash on the phone, as you can see, I'm trying all the way for the phone to respond to a factory reset mode. It's not responding. So do you think if we take it to a PC it will work, or should we reboil the CPU, or